Outside Agents is one of America's favorite host agencies, supporting thousands of agents nationwide. Known for a robust suite of business management tools and an award-winning training platform, travel agents both new and seasoned have found long-term success with Outside Agents. Providing up to 95% commission rates, a fully integrated CRM, group management tools, automated marketing programs, and one of the nation's largest online agent communities have made Outside Agents the leading innovator in the industry. Through Outside Agents, you will have direct access to the owners. You'll even have their personal cell numbers. Plus, you'll have over a dozen experienced travel industry veterans, each with over a decade of experience there to support you. These mentors will provide one-on-one guidance, phone, email, and ticket-based support. So what makes Outside Agents different? Up to 95% commission paid, powerful tools and technology, comprehensive award-winning training, and legendary agent support. In over 29 years of operation, Outside Agents has been honored with countless industry awards and has grown to become one of the largest and most profitable host agencies in North America. OutsideAgents.com, as an industry giant, remains committed to each of its agent partners as people with their own business, just a phone call away. Be sure to visit www.outsideagents.com to learn more. For more information, visit www.findahosttravelagency.com. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and post a comment. Also, if you would like to know when we post more video tutorials, just subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching our 2022 Top Host Agency video.